Welcome to the show. Today, I want to talk about a little known program that only requires 1 day of your GI Bill. And the best part? Well, we'll wait to the end for that. Welcome to the Military Bottom Line YouTube channel. On this channel, I am hoping to show you guys how to leverage your benefits, leverage your time in service to help you prepare for that transition out that will inevitably come. If you guys are interested in that, and if you guys have come to the channel before and you want to support it, just consider hitting that little red subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, then just give the video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that, and it always helps out the videos. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, guys. So the VA has a little bit of a pilot program going on. No, not that kind of pilot program. Right now, they're essentially doing this study and rolling out this opportunity for the next 5 years to see if veterans are interested in taking advantage of some certificate programs for high-tech fields. This program is known as VET-TEC, the Veteran Employment Through Technology Education courses. You may be eligible for this program if you are not on active duty or are within 180 days of separating. You qualify for VA education assistance under the GI Bill. You have at least 1 day of the GI Bill remaining, and you are accepted into a VA-approved training program. While I can't say with 100% certainty, there's nothing indicating that you have to be eligible for 100% of the GI Bill benefit. So that means that if you are a reservist or a National Guardsman that only got 60% of the GI Bill, then you may still be eligible for this program. All right, so what does the VET-TEC program actually cover? What is it supporting, and what kind of training are you able to accomplish through these courses? What's mainly offered in the VET-TEC program are areas of study in computer software, computer programming, data processing, information science, and media applications. This is not an exhaustive list. There's some Amazon Web Services things in there also, but this is the general idea of what you're going to find and what kind of training opportunities exist within this program. So what benefits are you actually getting with the VET-TEC program? With the VET-TEC program, you can get tuition for a full-time high-tech training program completely paid for. And you can also get money for housing while you are enrolled in the program. Essentially, it works the same way as the post 9/11 GI Bill works. If you are enrolled as a full-time student, then your courses are completely paid for, and you are also receiving full BAH. So if you're enrolled in this program in any VA-approved training site, you are going to receive the E5 with dependents BAH rate. That is if you are enrolled in a resident course. Resident courses right now for the VET-TEC program are only offered in Arizona, California, Colorado, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Michigan, Minnesota, Missouri, New York, Oregon, Tennessee, Texas, Virginia, and Washington. If you're in any state that does not have a resident program, or even are just not within a commutable distance, then there are a few programs and opportunities to take these courses online. The same thing works whether it be GI Bill use or VET-TEC program use. If you are a full-time online student, you are only going to receive half of the national average for the BAH rate. Currently, that is $916.50 a month. I understand it's not full BAH, but it's still almost $1,000 a month to go to school for free. So one of the unique things about this program and about this opportunity is that you can actually apply for the program with the VA to see if you get it before you apply to a VA-approved training program. If you click on the link below, follow it to the VA website, just apply for it. It takes about 5 minutes. It doesn't actually ask you for a ton of information. And so I'm not 100% sure on how they determine if they're going to give you this opportunity or not. My guess, based on me applying for it, the two big questions are, what is your highest level of education? And do you currently work in any of these tech fields? If you say yes to, do you work in any of these tech fields? They then start asking you questions about your income. But because I don't work in those fields right now, I don't know what the following questions are for that. Other than that, it's basically personal information. Just know that before you go apply. I would still highly recommend applying because it literally takes 5 minutes. And then within 30 days, you'll know if you can pursue this opportunity further. If you get denied, too bad, so sad. But if it's something really important to you and you're really wanting to pursue, try again, or maybe call the VA and find out why you're denied. Just because you apply does not mean that there is an obligation to actually complete the program. If you apply with the VA and the VA says, yes, we'll give it to you, then that's awesome. Congratulations. Now, the second step is to actually apply to a program that's approved and on the VA website list. That link is also below. If you want to see the locations and the courses offered in each location, check the link below. Similar to using the GI Bill, if you are on active duty, whether it be for school or vet tech, you are not able to receive the BAH for enrolling in these programs under these opportunities. But as soon as you leave active duty, you will be getting that BAH. So if you're like me and you're a little bit worried about using your GI Bill on education that you're not totally sold on wanting to do that for a career, and you're still trying to figure it out like I am, do not worry and still don't hesitate to apply for this program, because the best part about this program is that it does not count against your GI Bill balance. Mind blown, right? Says it right here. Note, your vet tech training won't count against your GI Bill entitlement, and you need only 1 day of unexpired GI Bill benefits to participate. That's crazy. It's basically free money, free education at literally no cost to you because it's not counting against your GI Bill. It's also important to know that funding for fiscal year 2021 is actually already exhausted. This means that there are a lot of veterans applying and getting these grants for these programs. And so if you're interested in doing this in fiscal year 2022, now is the time to apply. You don't want to wait till next year to get this application in because it goes fast. And they actually just upped it from a $15 million a year funding for this program to $45 million a year. I hope that helps you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, if you got any value out of it, I'd really appreciate you subscribing and maybe giving the video a thumbs up. On another note, if you're not trading crypto yet, it's about time. And I have a Coinbase referral link below that if you are interested in getting $10 of free Bitcoin when you trade your first $100 of crypto, you can use that link below and get some Bitcoin. Hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you guys next time.